In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Try Searching to Get Started on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open my browser, go to Google, and type YouTube into the search bar. I hit search, then click on the official YouTube link to open the website. When the YouTube homepage loads, you might notice that it says, Try Searching to Get Started, instead of displaying your usual video recommendations. To fix this, I move over to the left-hand menu and click on History. On the Watch History page, I look over to the right side panel and click on Manage All History. This opens up a new tab taking me straight to my Google activity settings for YouTube history. Here, you can see that YouTube history is currently paused or set to not save. I click on Not Saving Your YouTube History to open up the controls page. Next, I click the blue Turn On button on the right side. A pop-up window appears asking to confirm turning on YouTube history, so I scroll down slightly and click Turn On. Another box pops up confirming that the setting is on, and I click Got it. Now that YouTube history is enabled, I close or switch back to the previous YouTube tab. I click on the YouTube logo to refresh the home feed. If it still displays Try Searching to Get Started, all we need to do is build up some fresh watch history. I click on the search bar at the top, type in a topic like Dress Taylor Swift, and select it from the drop-down menu. From the search results, I select a video and click on it to start playing. Once the video opens and finishes playing the initial ad, I let the video run for a few seconds so YouTube registers the view. After watching for a short bit, I click on the YouTube logo in the top left corner to go back to the homepage. As you can see, the homepage has refreshed and is now fully loaded with recommended videos, shorts, and personalized content. The issue is completely fixed, and you can now enjoy your personalized YouTube home feed again. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.